Flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Tampa, Florida has issued a flood warning for the Elefai River at Riverview near us 301 from Thursday morning until Thursday afternoon. At 8 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 2.6 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 4.2 feet. Impact at 4.2 feet. Water begins to impact homes on Pine Avenue and Park Drive. Flood history. This compares to a previous crest of 4.4 feet on December 26, 2004.
They just spammed their flood warnings. Gosh, DBW.
Stay tuned
We
to
might get
developments
a
by listening
flood
to NOAA Weather Radio.
doubleheader.
The latest forecast can also be found on weather.gov/Tampa Bay. You can follow NWS Tampa Bay on Twitter and like us on Facebook.
Doubleheader! Here we go, doubleheader, guys! Might be a triple. Oh!
The National Weather Service.
Sorry for the bad,
Florida has issued a flood warning for
blurry. I don't know why I
River
did
and
that.
Adolfo Springs at Senior 17 from late Thursday night until Sunday morning. At 7 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.5
It might be
feet.
quadruple.
Flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 16 feet.
Let's see.
The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by Friday morning and continue to rise to near 17.8 feet by Friday evening. The river is expected to fall below flood stage by early Sunday morning. Flood history. This compares to a previous crest of 17.8 feet on September 21st, 1953. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The latest forecast can also be found on weather.gov/Tampa Bay.
Come on, triple header.
NWS Tampa Bay on Twitter and like us on Facebook.
Triple header. Possible triple header.
Your coastal
No.
waters forecast. For
Okay,
the
but that's fine.
KHB.
Woohoo, double header.